Hello and welcome to the 4 C's for SAP Business One Fix-it Friday edition. Today we're covering off how easy it is to copy and paste data from an email or from an Excel document into an SAP document and how it can populate everything in. So for this example today, we got this email in, it said new order and it said we'd like to order the following. We know who the customer is. They copied and pasted this maybe from an invoice that they had in the past and put in the quantities. So what we can do is we can simply just pick up this area here and we can copy this data. And we can go into SAP Business One and we can open up the sales order because the customer is asking us to create a sales order for this. Again, we're going to add our customer, all the stuff that you would do within SAP Business One. Normally. So I'm going to choose parameter technology. And instead of me going in and having to look up each item and toggle back and forth between the email and SAP and making sure that I got the right items, all I have to do is copy it like I just did, go into the grid area of the document, and click and right click and click paste. It asks if I have header information on the document. In this example, I do because I had the item number and those types of things. So I say yes. And you can see it's going to go through and it's going to grab those items. It's going to look at the customer's pricing and it's going to add that add those rows in. So if I just quickly add this document and let's add a new, let's do the same paste for a different customer that has different pricing, just so that you can see how it's grabbing the pricing as well. So let's choose MaxiTech this time. And yes, I know they owe me lots of money, but that's okay, they'll pay. So again, all I do is I right click and I can paste in. It asks me if I want to include the header or that if it contains header information. I say yes. And this time you can see that it's grabbing different pricing because this customer has different pricing. So again, very easy for us to copy and paste. And this can be used whether it's a sales document like we copied off, or maybe it's somebody asking you to buy these items. So somebody going out and saying, can you order these items for me? So the same process, we can choose our vendor. Choose our vendor, right click, paste. I say yes. And now it's grabbing those items and it's grabbing our purchase amount for how much we buy those items for. So very easy Fix-it Friday, something that a lot of users didn't know about. So copy and paste will save you a bunch of time and a bunch of keystrokes. If you're interested in having a one-on-one with me and figuring out better ways to get the most out of your system, reach out to me and we can arrange a meeting where we can talk about what it is that you're trying to accomplish within your SAP Business One environment, and we can help you get the most out of your system, SAP Business One.